Capt.America
and Hitman
2012.
Bike or Bentley.
They say they play like a boss, have a car with a horse, but they pay for the girls, cause they haven't any force. They don't know my name, but I see the shame. Standing face to face, overrun like a train. New style, new name, bitch, bitch. Every track with me, hit, hit. All the rappers the same, shit, shit. Still smarter than you, kid, kid. Yeah. We rockin' every night, we hustle or we fight. We play a risky set, we play it till we get. We find it out. Your girls are got some sound. Blue jeans, white shirt and my Ray-Ban. They don't wanna push me, they still hating.
Bike or Bentley, roll through my city, bitch. Bike or Bentley, we have fun but we ain't rich. Bike or Bentley, no one's gonna catch us with our bike or Bentley. Bike or Bentley.
Capt.America's back on the block with beer, fast cars and a bitch on his cock. That's party life in the club, people getting crazy, so crazy. Maybe they were lazy, damn rich. Dirty money in my jeans pocket when bitches look at me. They got really shocked. Capt.America, hotter than the sun, kills people with his Gatling gun. Northside rap for sure, motherfucker, shit for African people. Boom boom chakalaka, my rap is evil, bad and hotness like my Northside gang in the darkness. Hitman and America, worldwide fame like a superstar. Look up your girl, your wife or whatever, we beat her hard like Chris Brown, Vienna.
Bike or Bentley, roll through my city, bitch. Bike or Bentley, we have fun but we ain't rich. Bike or Bentley, no one's gonna catch us with our bike or Bentley. Bike or Bentley.
Talk about your Rolex, out with your whole sex. Met her on the street, I'm fly like low Rex. New York, LA, Miami, every girl in the club sweeter the candy. Big boobs, curvy, hot chicks, bass drum, hi-hat, deep kicks. Dope and tobacco remix, fly high tonight like a G6.
Bike or Bentley, roll through my city, bitch. Bike or Bentley, we have fun but we ain't rich. Bike or Bentley, no one's gonna catch us with our bike or Bentley.